Hello, my name is Shirin. I come from Iran and my background is in marketing, where I've been working as brand manager and senior brand manager in a cosmetics and personal care industry. I chose LUIS because it's one of the best business school in Europe and in Italy actually. I really like business school because actually it's so diverse and it contains many different soft skills, hard skill labs, and one of the things that I really like about LUIS is the Leader for Talent programs, because actually you have the opportunity to meet very many big people around the world in business. And for example, one of the best Leader for Talent that I've been attending was one with Mr Mohan Mohan, who has been the vice president of the P&G company. For me, MBA at LUIS Business School is an adventure.